Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're going to be doing Dutch oven in the backyard. We've got family coming over, and so one of the dishes we're going to make is very simple. It's a baked bean dish that we're going to do in the Dutch oven. First we have pork and beans, garbanzo beans, lima beans, kidney beans, 1 onion, 1 pepper of any color that you like, could be green, could be yellow, could be orange. And in the meat section, you want to have 6 to 8 ounces of each of these items: bacon, sausage, ground beef, and ham steak. And now over to the sauces and spices section. 1/3 of a cup of each of these items: brown sugar, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and then we'll have 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. First we'll prep our onion. Take off the ends, remove the skin. My family loves our onions, so we'll go probably 3/4 of this onion. And now to the pepper. And now peppers go into our prep bowl. Now we're going to open and drain our lima, garbanzo, and kidney beans. And now we'll just put these into our mixing bowl and give everything a nice stir. And now the pork and beans. Beautiful. And finally we'll add our sugars, our sauces, and spices. Now we'll just mix it in. That looks so nice. So let's go ahead and cut up our meats. We're going to cut these into bite-sized pieces that we like. And I just like to stack them up. And now we can cut them. There we go. Let's cut up our bacon. And now that our Dutch oven is hot, we've got a lot more coals on the bottom because we're going to start by frying the bacon. We'll go ahead and put that in now. You want to break up your meats to help them cook. We'll just leave the lid on that for a few minutes and then check it in a little bit. I think our meat is ready. Let's check it. Oh, that looks beautiful. So you'll remember that we didn't put the ham in because it was pre-cooked. We'll add that now. Now let's put in our mixture of beans, vegetables, and seasonings. This is the perfect recipe for a number 10 Dutch oven. And we'll probably feed 20 to 25 people. We started our oven hot for frying, but let's go back to the rule of 3. So we'll end up with 7 briquettes on the bottom and 13 on the top of the 10-inch Dutch oven. We've been cooking now for about 35 to 40 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. That looks amazing. And it smells better than it looks. We're going to take it over to the table and dish it up. This looks delicious. Oh my word. I wish you guys were here, seriously. That is some good beans. I hope you've enjoyed this simple Dutch oven recipe. Join us again at OSMEtv. Oh man.